Hello, hi everyone. Myself Shobasappa Maski. Now I would like to discuss about the topic presentation skills here. You might be knowing about the presentation skills, how much very important nowadays here. In presentation skills, we come across the topics like synchronized body language, use of appropriate media, style of presentation, as well as another one, that is overall impression here. Now I would like to go for the use of appropriate media here. So most of the learners, they prefer visual medium, that is either print or audio here. Very few learners, they prefer kinesthetic style here, kinesthetic mode of learning. It depends upon the presenter's content and context on which topic he is dealing with here. In order to be more effective, we need to use certain medias for the presentation here. We can use different medias in order to be more effective here. The different medias which we are going to come across certainly are, the first one is print here, second one is graphics, and third one is paintings and photograph, drawings and cartoons, then MMS, I mean video clips and audio clips, animations, multimedia packages, all these things, all these medias we are going to use in our presentation here. Of course, these medias can only support our presentation. These multimedias which we are going to use, they can't replace our presentation. Only they can support our presentation. That's all here. Now let us begin one by one here. The different medias which we are going to use in our presentation here. The first one is about the print here. So in print, most of the people, they prefer text style here. Means if our content or context is a maximum of verbal communication, if it consists of verbal, then we are going to use this kind of media, that is the print media here. So here what happens, here the listeners, they are going to make notes, and later on they are going to go through that. And one more thing which we can notice here is, if our text is more, if the printed is more, means we should not use more words. We should not use more words. Instead of that, we have to use bulleted words or bulleted sentence, so that we can elaborate the sentences, we can elaborate our ideas during our presentation here. And the next one which we are going to come across is about drawings and cartoons here. You might be knowing about very well here about cartoons. What we cannot understand easily by our photographs, such can be easily understood by the cartoons here, because it will be having an humorous sense here. So it can attract the audience very easily. So this kind is also very important here. And next one is about paintings and photographs here. In paintings and photographs, here what happens, there may be a chance of distracting the mind of the audience because of the background of the paintings here. What actually a presenter wants to convey to the audience, during that time, the audience may lose their attention by the distracting of the other paintings here. So one must be very cautious while showing paintings and all these things here. And next one which we come across here is video clips and audio clips here. You might be knowing well, nowadays in most of the presentation we are going to make use of all these things here. Especially the students nowadays, they are quite adjusted to this MMS, multimedia message service, and all these things here. And next one is about animation here. So these animations are going to be created by the graphic artist here. So what the audience can't understood in presentation, that can be easily understood, especially in the especially through animations here. Suppose a petrol engine, or if you take an example of railway engine, if we wish to show that to the audience, we can't explain properly either by the paintings or by the photograph or by something else. That can be only explained properly only through animation here. Suppose if we draw a diagram on the board, or if we show a paintings, we can show only outwardly how that engine works. Whereas in animation, there is possibility of explaining each and everything, even innerly also, how that engine works properly. And the last one is of multimedia packages. In multimedia packages, it includes everything here. It includes everything. As I told you of earlier, that is audio and video clips, then graphics, then showing tables, charts, then once again printed materials, printed media, and also animation. All these things we are going to use here. But according to the situation, as per the need, a presenter is going to make use of all these things. At last, what I would like to tell you now, so nowadays, presentation is very important here. Okay, we might be having a lot of knowledge in our mind. The way we present is very important here. The style which we present, that is very important here. So by using all these medias, so we can make our presentation more effective and most effective here. Whatever the medias which I discussed just now, these medias can only support our presentation, and all these multimedia tools, they can't replace our presentation, but only they can support our presentation. Thank you.